Hi there, students. A windbag. A windbag is a countable noun, a person. This is somebody who talks excessively. A gas bag, a bag of wind. Notice this is derogatory. You are being critical of the person. My uncle is a real windbag. He's too fond of his own voice and could talk the hind legs off a donkey. He talks and talks and talks, but he says very little that is useful or of any value or really interesting. Yeah? So if you call somebody a windbag, you are informally saying this person just talks too much and they don't say anything. The professor who gave the lecture is a real windbag. He never uses 10 words when he can use 100. Okay, so he goes into too much detail, or he tells too many extra stories without actually saying anything of value. If you call a person a windbag as well, it gives the idea that this person is a bit pretentious. So a windbag probably tries to use long words that are unnecessary, and they just talk and talk and talk and talk and talk. Maybe I'm a bit of a windbag when it comes to videos. So, somebody who talks about uninteresting topics, somebody who prattles on and on and on. This politician is a real windbag. He's a windbag. He's always talking, but he never says anything of consequence. The reporters ask him a question, and he talks and talks, but he doesn't answer the question. He's just a windbag. This woman is no more than a narcissistic windbag who likes to talk and talk about her own affairs. Okay, notice this phrase, a windbag. This is informal English. I'd probably give it 3.5 to 4 in formality. Yeah? So don't use it in a semi-formal or a formal situation. I think formally somebody who talks too much, somebody who is over garrulous or something like that. And the origin, well, a bag of wind, literally, a big bag of air. The air or the wind represents the words and the lack of substance to what they are saying. Yeah, so they spend all day talking about nothing. So if you call somebody a windbag, you're being rude about them and you're saying they just talk too much. So it's time for this windbag to stop. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Windbag.